There's one animal that are a group of murders. Can you guess what it is? Sea cucumbers can eject their organs as a defense mechanism. When threatened, some sea cucumbers expel their intestines and other internal organs to distract predators. They regenerate them later. Pistol shrimp can create a bubble hotter than the sun. This tiny shrimp snaps its claws so fast that it creates a bubble reaching up to 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit, stunning or killing prey instantly. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Sloths can slow their heart rate and hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, while dolphins typically last around 10–15 minutes before surfacing. Sharks existed before trees. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, while the first trees appeared about 350 million years ago. A group of crows is called a murder. Crows are highly intelligent and sometimes gather in large numbers, leading to the eerie name, a murder of crows. Do these surprise you? Let us know in the comments.